Hello. Today's topic is about string, and it is totally about string exercise programs and few short programs of this book you've seen in the screen. I already write all the codes in BLUEJ, and I will explain everything in the few videos. Maybe it will, I think, more than one video. So let's start with the first program. So the first program is write a program to accept a string. The program number 2, write a program to accept a string, count and display the number of vowels present in the string. Sample input Delhi Public School, and the sample output is the number of vowels 6. So what we have to do here? First we have to accept a string, then count the number of vowels. Okay, the code is this one. So that is the class name, public static void main scanner, text, that is store the user value, len variable which store the length of a variable, length of the input string, vowel is the vowel counter, ch1 holds the each characters. So this part, enter a string, text equal to 0 next line. In this thing, in that part we accept a string like Delhi Public School. Okay, then the length will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. I think it will be 19 actually. 3 to 5 6 6 12 13 6 19. Okay, the length of the string is 19. So the loop goes from 0 to 18th index. String goes to 0 to 18 index, that means total 19 values. Okay, so first time ch1 holds the character of D, and now it checks D is matched with any of the criteria, that is ch1 is A, E, I, O, U capital, as well as maybe it will be A, E, I, O small. All are written in OR sign. So if any one of the criteria is matched, the vowel counter will be increased. So as D is not a vowel, so if part is not executed and the process goes to the second one index. Next time I get an E, then ch1 hold E, and E match with not match with this criteria, E match with this criteria, and then at that time the vowel counter will be 1. Okay, then process will be L, no answer, H, no answer, and when the ch1 is holds I, then it match with this criteria, then the vowel counter becomes 2. Again space, then P, then U, again the same thing, U takes this part, this condition, then the vowel counter will be 3, and the process move into I, BLIC, not LI. So when the part is I, again the vowel counter match and the counter will be 4. Same process will be goes to double O, and finally the vowel counter will be 6. So after ending of the for loop, we get the final vowel counter, and here I print the number of vowels and the string vowel. So let's check what will be the output if I take this one as input. Okay, so the number of vowels in the string is 6. Okay, so this part is matching. Actually you see these programs, these EX programs and the old programs, these programs are all are from exercise and books, and from this question 1 to question 24 maybe in the next video. So this part I use few normal questions and few like solved programs from book. All all are from the Arya Publication Company book. So let's go to the next question. The next question is, write a program to accept a string and change the case of each letter of the string. Display the new string. Welcome to school. Output is the welcome to school, but in different matter. Here we have to check the W. If the W is in uppercase, then convert it into lowercase. Here E is small in small case. Now we have to convert to uppercase. So the character, first we have to check the character case format. If it is an uppercase, then change to lowercase. If it is lowercase, then change to uppercase. So first we have to accept a string, then find the length, then for loop, then extract character. Now check the character is uppercase, then convert, or the character is lowercase, then convert, and also store. So what I did, let's check. That is question number 4. So here first I accept a value into input variable, create a ch and a len. So here enter a word. The question is enter a string actually. Okay, so I change the part, enter a sentence. Okay, input equals c dot next line, and finally find the length of the string. Now ch equals input dot caret I. So if I write the input it welcome to school, in that part I have to write well COMETOSCHOOL. So in that case first C hold the W. Okay, so next I check character dot is uppercase ch. So here W goes this area, this if part, and the next time ch will be in lowercase. Next character, that is E. So E doesn't go match with this criteria. E goes to the this else part, and E will be in uppercase. The same process will be goes for the next characters. So here L is in small case, so L will be uppercase here. So finally this string hold, this store variable stores all the characters. So here ch value is capital W, but ch update his value to small, so the output is small. Small e converted from in that area, so it store W. Next time L is a small case, so goes that area, and L converted to the capital L. C is the uppercase value, so it converted in by this part, so the C will be like this. And next O M E T O, S will be in small case, C H O O L, so that will be the output. So take this thing as input and let's check what will be the output. So the program runs properly. Now the next question. The next question is, write a program to accept a string and display the number of lowercase letters, number of uppercase letters, number of special characters, number of digits present in the string. Sample input steady code, std code of the New Delhi -011. The output total number of lowercase characters 12593. Okay, so I make a small addition. I also find the total number of characters. You can add this uppercase and lowercase also, but I use a extra function which helps you out. So in that part I create a string input to store the user value in that section. Now create a len to store the length of the string in that section, and create few variables, the counter variables, that is letter equals 0, lowercase characters lowercase equals 0, upper equals 0, special equals 0, digit equals 0. Letter holds the total number of letters, lower holds the total number of lowercase characters, Upper holds the total number of uppercase characters, special holds the special characters, and digit holds the total number of digits. So in that section, same thing, I equals 0, I less than len, the string goes the full length, then ch extracts each characters. So in that part I use s.t.d dot code of New Delhi dash 011. Okay, so first time s is stored in that area. Next, character dot is letter, yes, s is a character, so the letter counter will be 1. Next time, character is uppercase ch, yes, it is uppercase value, then the upper counter will be 1. Next, no more processes. Next time when the I value is 1, then we got a full stop. So if part not executed, else if part not executed, else part executed, special equals 1. So same value goes to td, and when you get this full stop, this full stop, this full stop, space, this space, this space, this space, space under dash space, all are goes to the special case part, because all are special characters. When you just std, all are inserted first this part, because std is letter first, then all are in uppercase, character is uppercase ch true, then the uppercase will be value will be 3. Next, code, next first c I get, so c is a letter, first approve this part. Next time character is uppercase ch, no, c is not in uppercase, so then else part lower value will be 1, and the process will be goes in that area. Next, finally, when I is at location of 0, that means character dot is digit part is executed, and the character value in digit counter will be increases 1 2 3 times. So let's check what will be the output. So the output is total number of letters is 17, that part is extra to inform about the character is letter function. Next part, uppercase characters is 5 as s t d n d, uppercase letters is 5, small letters c o d e 4, o a 5 6, e w 7 8 9 10 11 12, 12 letters, digits 0 1 1, all are digits, and special characters full stop full stop full stop 3 space 4, then space 5, then space 6, then space 7, then space 8 dash 9, and that space will be 10. So the total part is executed properly. Now go to the next question, that is this one. Write a program to input a sentence. Create a new sentence by replacing each consonant with the previous letter. Okay, if the previous letter is a vowel, then replace it with the next letter. Example, if the letter is b, then b is a consonant, then the replace it with c, because first, as per rules, if it is a consonant, replace with the previous letter. Okay, then the previous letter of b is a, but the condition is if previous letter is a vowel, then replace with the next letter. That's why if the letter is b, then replace it with the c, as the previous letter of b is a. Okay, other characters must remain same. Display the new sentence looks like this. So what will be the code? The code is looks like this. Okay, so here I accept a value and the c input. Okay, that is the input part. Next, I create few extra variables, that is one ch, ch1, ch2. Len stores the length. C input make a copy of the string in uppercase format. store store used to print the final value. I equals 0, I less than len, that is ch stores the first each characters. Ch stores the each characters. Now first we have to check ch is a consonant. Okay, so in that case, in that if we check ch not equals a, e, I, o, u, that means if you want to check a consonant, you write if with this condition, it will check the consonant part. Okay, now the consonant entered in that area, the body of if. Now first we have to decrease the position value. So what I do, if I think this part is b, okay, then ch1 holds, what I write here, ch minus 1, that means b minus 1. So b minus 1 is basically, the ASCII value of b is 66, so b minus 1 obviously 65, and I using a character conversion, then the value of ch1 is a. Okay, now I check ch1 is vowel or not, so I use this code here, ch1 double equals a, e, I, o, u. If it is match, then I add ch1 plus 2, that means here I use a plus 2, that means the ASCII value of a is 65 plus 2 becomes 67, and I use a conversion, so that will be 67, and the ASCII, the character is c. So c is stored into ch, and finally store holds the c. And if the consonant, the minus 1 figure, now if I take next character, that is like c. Okay, so c is a consonant, c match with the if condition, so the c value becomes the c minus 1 and converted into char, so the value of ch1 is b. Okay, now if part not executed, then the store will be as b. Okay, and if you got a space or a question mark not entered in that area, that means all are entered in the store, that is a normal format, that is like word equals like hello, and the next is a special character, so ch is stored here like space, just a space. So that is the code. Basically this if part checks the consonant, this if, and this ch1 holds the minus 1 character, this if checks the minus 1 character is vowel or not. If it is a vowel, ch2 stores the plus 2 figure and store the value into store variable. If the minus 1 figure is not a vowel, then it will be a consonant, so store into a store variable. Okay, and if the if part is not executed, means it will not a consonant, it will not be a vowel, obviously it will not a consonant like vowels, then all our part is entered into this section directly. So let's check the what will be the output. The question is, I think, the capital of India is New Delhi. Now check with the question. Now check. SGEBAQISAKOGIMCIAIRMEVCEKGI, like a code word value actually. So the part is properly executed. Okay, then go to the next section, that is program number 10. that I'm going to accept a word in lowercase and display the new word after removing all the repeated letters. So in that section, I create a string variable num, create a unique variable which holds the null figure, ch1 and ch1 holds the characters, a flag variable with 0. Now that is, this for loop goes the full length of the string input variable. Actually this is not the num, not suitable name, but it's okay. I equals 0, I less than num dot length. Sorry. Then ch holds the first character. So if we take an example like app applications, okay, so first time I equals 0, that means ch1 holds the character a into ch variable. Okay, then j equals 0, j less than unique dot length. What is the value of unique? That is null. So ch1 equals unique dot character I, the condition will be false, so for loop will not be executed. If part flag still will be 0 as flag not enters in that section. So flag is still 0, the value of unique still null. Now the unique value is a, again flag will be 0. Next, the next character is p. Okay, the next time ch will get p. This time unique dot length means I just created unique. First time unique variable is null. Now the unique value variable value is a. So this time 0 less than 1. That is true. ch1 equals unique dot caret j. That means here I got a. In that section I check a double equals p. So the answer will be false. That means flag it not initialize. Then still flag equals 0. Then the unique equals unique plus num dot caret I means a or p will be beside. Next time I got another p. So the ch got the p. This time j goes for 2 times because the length is 2. It holds 0 index and 1 index. So in that section ch first gets a. So first time this p check ch double equals ch1, that means a double equals p. So answer will be no. Next time when the j increases, that means j index is now 1. That time ch1 holds p. Okay, now check p double equals p. So this part matches, flag equals 1 and break. Now if flag double equals 0, no, that means this third letter, that is p, not stored in that section and flag equals 0. Next time L passes in that section. This time this unique length is still ap, that is 2 times 0 and 1. ch1 holds a and p, and this time check a double equals L, p double equals L. So both time the condition will be false, flag still 0, so L will be stored in that section. So the entire process will goes like this. So finally I single time, C single time, when the value of a got, that means a already present in unique string already holds the a. Then this if part is executed and this if part doesn't allow to store this a. Next the value will be t. Already I use then O, then N, then S. Next, check applications, and finally after exiting or termination of for loop, we just print the variable unique. Now check the code is properly running or not. So the APLICTONS, that is I 2 times delete, double P 2 times delete, and the value just P. Okay, now the next question is pig Latin. Write a program in Java to accept a word and create a pig Latin form. I already make a video about pig Latin, go and check it out. So I don't discuss in that section, but I have the code, so I just show you and small discussion. Okay, so here I create a scanner, create a accept variable to store the word. There are part1, part2 and the joint variable. Ch stores the extract character, length is stored the length, v position is used to store the vowel position. Okay, now enter a word. If I use trouble, okay, then the output will be OUBLETRAY. This looks like this. So the accept hold the treble, then the length convert the full string in uppercase, then ch hold TROUBLE each characters, and when the ch gets the first vowel position, that means this O first vowel position, so V position holds the I and use a break statement. That means V position holds the index of I, that is 2 index. Now in that section part1, what I write, accept dot substring V position. So that is a single substring value. So single substring value means starting from this location till the end. That means starting from this index, the last part full. So the output will be double. Next part 2, that is 0 comma V position. That means it will be 0 comma 2. When we enter 2 indexes in that section, first starts with the 0 and second index previous character, that is I use 2, then the previous character will be TR. So in that section I got TR, and joint AY. So finally that will be OUBLETRAY. Finally I print this in the joint string. There is a dedicated video on, already I uploaded, just check. Next question is program 13. Write a program in Java to enter a string, print the string in alphabetical order of its letter. That is computer becomes chemo part 2. Okay, so what I did, first create an input and a length. For finding the length, ch is a character holder, store the final variable which I used to print. In that section I use sc.next. You already know the trim, the use of trim will be used to delete first and last index spaces. Finally find the length, and here first for loop is used for starting, that is ASCII value of A, that is 65, and the ASCII value of capital Z is 90. So the loop will be starts at capital A to capital Z. So in that section I use JLoop to count the full strings every time. First I check with I, 65 is present in the entire string, that means capital A or small a present in that entire string or not. Next time B, capital B and small b present in that entire string or not. Looks like J is 0, J less than ln. CH extract each character. So if I take like computer, okay, then the value of C, so I check ch double equals I, ch double equals I plus 32 means it will be 65 if it is uppercase, if it is 97 then it is lowercase. So when full for loop is executed, there are no matching criteria, that is COM, there are no A small or upper, okay, then this part is not executed. Same about B, not executed. But when the I is 67, that means this part. Now if just the value of CH is capital C double equals 67, it is true, then finally store equals C, that will be the capital C. Now check D is present, answer will be no. Then check E, E is present, so E will be placed at that location. So first we check all the A present in the entire string inside of for loop. Next check B, next C, then D. Whenever I got match with this criteria, I store the value, otherwise I doesn't store. And finally, after termination of this for loop, I print the string. So the check computer is running or not. Actually my computer is running. Let's check the code is running or not. That is kmove per 2, the output. Now the next question. The next question is, write the program in Java to accept a sentence in lowercase, convert the first letter of each word of the sentence in uppercase, display the new sentence so form. We are in cyber world. So first W will be in capital, A in capital, in capital, C in capital, W in. So what you have to take, what you have to do, first accept a string, and the starting of the word provides how you think like this is W is the starting of word, because whenever we saw a space, the next character will be a starting of a word. Looks like this W, this A, the space will present A is the starting of the word. This space is present I is the starting. This space present the C is the starting. So simple. First accept the string. Here I accept a string. 1 minute. So the code is looks like this. Okay. So in that section I create a accept variable to store the string. Then store will be the final output. ch word holds 2 characters length to find the full length. Now starting code from this section. First I add a space at starting position. So if you take accept, like the output will be, I think we are in cyber crime something. Okay, we are in cyber world, WORLD. Okay, now I just do first use trim to remove multiple spaces, then add a space in that section. Okay, so thus this string holds a space at first, then find the length, then I convert entire string into lowercase because I need only the first letter in capital. If user enters a mixed case value or all in uppercase, the entire string will be converted into lowercase. Then I check the space and the next character will be later. Now I use I equals 0. Generally I write here I less than len, but here I write I less than len minus 1, as I use 2 character extractions at a time, because ch hold the I position and ch1 holds the I plus 1 position. That's why in that case I write len minus 1. Now that is the space holds ch and ch1 holds w. Okay, so ch is a space, ch holds a space and ch1 holds the w. That means this condition match, that is character dot is letter w true. So what ch1 dot to uppercase w, so w will be in uppercase, I will be increases by 1 and store equals store as null, then first time ch plus space, I think better. Okay, the typing mistake. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. Actually no, this part is already written. Okay, space plus ch 1, that means ch and ch1 both are enters. Now the next part, if not executed, like e, I will be 2 location because I generally stores 1 and I plus plus, so I becomes 2. So w is not check. Next time it will go to the e section, then check e with space, if part not executed, then this part also check that ch holds the space and ch1 holds the a. That means again a is converted into uppercase, increase the I and store in section. And if the part is not matched, store will be goes in that area. Okay, so if I use the first part from like ch holds a space and ch1 holds w, that means this part is true, ch1 becomes w, I plus plus stores the w. Okay, next time it don't it will not check w, then it will direct check e and here check a space. Okay, so this condition not true, then else part is used, space w e. Next time I got another space, so ch holds a space and ch1 holds a, this part again true, then capital A, I plus plus increase, store equals, last value of store is we, now space and capital A, already last value is e, then the space and a, that will be added. Next time ch gets r and ch1 gets e, then if part not executed, then else store a, that is r. Okay, and finally I write store equals store plus accept dot caret length minus 1 because I terminate the string at that location. When the I counter reaches L, the string will be terminated. So the storing the last value D is stored in that section, and finally print the final figure. Now check. Okay, first I copy the line. We are in cyber world. Every word first letter is caps. If you write mixed case like we are in cyber world. Now check, same thing, all first letter will be capital and the rest all the letters will be in small, so the program works properly. Now the next question is this one. Write a program to accept any three letters word and print all the probable three letter combination. No letter should repeat in the output top. Okay, so what I did in that section, first I accept a variable top as value. So one part is print, next part is reverse, next part is new form. So first I print top in that section. The reverse of top equals POT, and the new form is like OP plus T equals OPT. Next again I print OPT, the reverse will be TPO, the new form will be POT. In that section I use P, sorry, this is not POT, this is wait, this is a little, okay, this part is mistake. The reverse OPT reverse is TPO, okay, and the new form is first use PT, then add the first character, that is O, the first character O as here. Okay, now just print PTO first, then reverse it, that is OTP, and print, and the new form will be TOP. So basically I use these three values to perform my answer. First accept a value, print it, then reverse the value and create a new form. With the help of new form, again I print, then reverse, then create another new form with the same rules. That means if I accept top, the part is two separators, that is one is T and another is OP, and the new form will be OP plus T. It will give you OPT. So same process will goes every times. So that will be the code is that one. Okay, so here I create a rev variable, create a n word, len p1. This process goes 3 times because you have to enter 3 words as written in the book. So accept a word that is holds 3 letters, to find the length, n word is the holds the n word, just word. Next statement, required combinations of word. Create a while loop with 1 less than len, less than equals n, that means while loop goes for 3 times. First I print the value that I see, just first print the value, that is top will be printed. Now this for loop creates the reverse part. Here I print first top, and the reverse form will be PTO, sorry, POT. In that section I print POT. Okay, finally reverse will be null, P will be increases, and the new word substring 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 means starting from 0, starting from O to T, that means OT plus 0 comma 1, that means P. So that will be the value create OTP. Next time this while loop again processes, then the next value is OTP. The reverse part is PTO. In that section I print PTO again. Ref will be null, P will be increased to, I already print 2 and 2, 4 values. The new form is OTP new form, that is OTP becomes TPO. O is at 0 location, that means this part. TP from this part, that means TP and O. So TPO becomes first print TPO. The reverse part is OPT. So I print here OPT. Again reverse, P will be false and the new part will be I think a little mistake. First time it will be top, the reverse value is POT, okay, and the next form is it will be OPT. Next time it will be OPT, reverse will be TPO, it will print TPO. The new form is PTO. So now I already print these two values and these two values. So finally I print PTO, okay. The reverse value is OTP. In that section I print OTP, and finally that process will be TO, and the first letter is as last, that is TOP. That will be the final answer. Now you can see if I print this line, what will be the output? The output will be look like this. I enter top. Now you see there are comma at last position. If you want to remove the last comma, I use few statements. That means this part. If P less than 3, use comma. That means these two parts and these two parts, especially these two parts holds the comma, but this part not hold the comma. This part goes to the else section. Okay, now check what will be the output. Now check, last comma will be deleted. Very simple. The loop will be processed for 3 times. I write P less than 3, that means the last, that is reverse and comma, reverse variable and comma. That means this will help comma, this will use comma, but this OTP print from this location. So this OTP doesn't hold the comma. You can use print also, use full stop also. Okay, so that will be the complete code. Okay, so last question for this video is switch case program. So the question is, write a manual program to display the pattern of a string entered by user. If the user enters a choice F, then it displays the first letter of each word. In case of the choice is L, then it displays the last character of each word. So the honesty is the best policy. If you press F, then HITBP. If you choose L, then print YSETY. So in that section, first I use few variables, that is accept value. This is a copy variable. This is length, 2 character and one another character that holds the user choice. So in that section, press first, the menu is press L, then display all the first letters. Actually, I write another one line. Menu list. Okay, so that will be the menu list. Press F to display all first characters, press L to display all last characters, enter your choice. Now in that section, user maybe enter F, maybe L, maybe a different character. So this sa.next line is if you want to accept a string, accept a character, then you cannot store a string type value because the part skips. So I use a random sa.next line to accept this value. It is the problem of scanner. It will be solved with this solution. Then switch menu. The option that is maybe F, maybe L or a different character will pass this location. Now I use case F. C input equals space plus C input. Here I have to print the first letter. So first letter concept means space, then the next character, space, then the next character, space, then the next character. So I print the character which holds a space at its previous location. So simple, find the length, I equals 0, I less than length minus 1, ch holds I, ch1 holds I plus 1. Okay, now if ch double equals space and the next character is a letter, then print the letter. Okay, and use the break statement. So this part, if the ch is space and the next character is letter, then print the first letter of character. If you use, press F. Now print a space means if you think about the output, like I got this space location, space previous character is Y, print, space previous character is S, print, space previous character E, print, space T, print, and last space, print the Y. That's why I add a space at last location. See, input equals input plus space. Find the length, same process, length minus 1. Now ch holds the letter and ch1 holds the character. Now see, character dot is letter ch means if you use this line, that is R holds in ch and space holds in ch1. Now this part is true because ch is a letter and ch1 is space. Okay, then print ch, I print R. Same thing in that location. R is a letter, space is a ch1 is a space, true, R print. Same thing here, T and space and Y, I already use a space in that location, I already added, so Y and space added. And if user enters another character except F and L, the default part will be executed. And one more thing, if you use switch statement, just maintain this format. Here case F, all calculation will be right side of this colon. It will help you to complete or run or understand the basic parts, that you write everything or not. And use the break statement to terminate each of every cases. So let's check the program running properly or not. So that is the menu list. Honesty is the best policy. I just copy this line. Acha, first I have to use a choice, that is a F. Capital F. Then enter a text. Now HITBP. I run this program again. Same menu list with capital L. Enter a text. Output will be YSTEY. And finally, if I print is another character from L or something G. Enter a character, enter your input correctly. So that will the end. That is the end of the first video. Wait for the next video.